Hello guys, so today we are going to solve a lathe problem in Mastercam. This is the geometry. The total diameter is 40. We are going to only select the half of the diameter, that is 20 mm. The total length is 70 mm. This is the interface you are going to see after opening Mastercam. Press F9 to pick axis. Axis will be generated. Now select rectangle -70, 20 in height. So for drawing this arc, first for fillet we have to draw a line, straight line over here, -50 by 20, -90. Select this point, 25, 0. Now from here the distance is 25 mm. So now we are going to draw this arc with 12. Select arc, create arc endpoints. Select the first point, radius 12, -13, 15. This distance is 15, 0 and 3. Okay. Select this again, this arc, select 9. Select trim action. Select divide and delete. So fillet entities. Select the first line. Select the second line. Now here is our geometry completed, as you can see. Now go to machine type, select lathe default, go to properties, stock setup, make from 2 point, make from 2 point. Now we will do the operations. Good. First we will be doing the facing operation. Okay. Tool. Now the rough operation. Select partial chain. Click OK. Okay. Tool path. I will be doing the finish operation. Sorry, select the right finish tool and select regenerate all selected operations. Then go to toolpath, grooving operation, groove, select chain, click OK. Okay, select medium center, click OK. Grooving has been done. Now go to threading, select the right hand tool. Okay, go to thread shape parameters, select from table, we can select different profile of threads. 32 d2, click ok. All these parameters will be auto generated. Select the start and end point. Start point is 0 0, end point is minus 13. Click ok. That is still over here. This is if you want to see this in 3D, click on machine group, verify selected option. You can increase or decrease the speed. Stop on collision, the facing operation, the rough operation, finish operation, the grooving operation, threading operation finally. So sometimes what happens is that the tool will get stuck and there will be a collision between the tool and the job. So for that we can change tool parameters. By in parameters you can click on right click, edit the tool folders. You can change the parameters if you want this big, so you can get more access, so you can change all the parameters of the tools. So this is it for lathe. We can generate the G codes by pressing G1. So this is the actual G codes all generated. So this is it for Mastercam. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more such videos.